And I want to show you guys what is the premise of the idea of trading here with the Omi token. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? How to define those key levels just by looking at structure, but more or less using footprints to define those key levels. We're always looking for key levels of volume with Japanese candlesticks. Then we go into a lower time frame and we define that by footprints to get better entries towards a buy or a sell. Why is this important? I want to show you guys. I highlighted low volume areas with the green rectangle right here. And this is going to be your POC, your point of control, where majority of the volume has been traded. And not to look negative for this year, for this project, but I do believe it's going to go a little bit lower. Remember guys, a lot of people that sold up here or use limit orders, they're totally fine making huge profits here. A lot of people that are investors, they've tried to take a lot of profits. They invested their tokens long time ago, somewhere in the middle, and they're hoping to break even. For these traders or so-called whales, they don't need that much to make that much money. So small moves for them make a lot of positions and a lot of money in the long run for them. So why is this important? Well, let me show you guys why this is very important. So I'm going to open up the footprints right here. And when you look at the footprints, take a look at the numbers right here on the bottom for this red candle. You're noticing that a lot of buyers are actually holding the levels. So when you notice here, there's not really a lot of buy limits. More aggressive buyers are pushing the price up. That is a bad sign. Why is this a bad sign? Well, if you are a whale or if you're into advanced trading, you understand there's going to be a lot of hidden stops. And what is price all about? The markets, they want to take out liquidity. They want to take you guys out. They want to take you up before contributing into price and pushing the price back up. This is what price always does, guys. So if you notice, there was not a lot of sellers here, more buyers holding the level. And you notice here on the top as well, more buyers are failing than sellers. What do you notice here? There's weakness in buyers, aggression in the buyers on the bottom, but weakness in the buyers to follow through with price, with volume. That means we're not really retreating towards the upside. What a lot of people get mixed up here is that they think that because of this, we could start to buy because there's participations of buyers. Guys, it's about what the participations have done for the market. Now, when I scroll all the way towards the top, take a look at these numbers right here. These are huge levels. These are buyers really trying to push the price with high amount of volume. Now, this is what I call an absorption level. That wick or that area that I defined to you guys is right here. Once we look at this, look at the volume of buyers, the volume in the candle, and we're failing to go higher. So that means what? Very simple, guys. A lot of limit orders here, while there's a lot of aggressive buyers on the bottom. Once again, let me try to repeat that and give you guys a better clarity on what I'm trying to show you here. So let me take away this and let's get back into the simplicity of this trading idea. We have a lot of buyers that are aggressive on the bottom. Let me change that color into black. We have a lot of aggressive buyers on the bottom. That means, guess what? A lot of stop loss. We know that there's stop loss here. Here, we had a lot of buyers on the top. What does that mean? We failed. There wasn't really any stop loss on the top here. So what that means is there was a lot of sell limits pushing the price down. That means sellers are more active with their sell limit and they didn't even get aggressive. Think about it. They had the first punch without even being aggressive. What does that mean? We can see a small slight pullback, but we're still expecting price to go down because the buyers in this region absolutely failed to do anything. If we do get some kind of update that can help us with the fundamental logic of pushing the price out, that would be great. But for this time being, if you are a trader, I'm not really looking to buy. If you do buy, it is of course to sell short term. We are going to go lower because a lot of sellers that were selling the project at the top are very comfortable while the buyers are failing to buy aggressively. And even when they are buying aggressively, we're seeing absolutely no reward. Think about it. The market wants to have a reward, and the reward for sellers with limit orders, we did more with those limit orders. Once again, we did more with those limit orders to sell than aggressive buying orders to push the price up. That the sellers are winning while the buyers are totally failing. If this gives you any insight on what you need to do for this coming up month or a couple of weeks, you understand it is more to sell. And if you guys do like this, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This year is going to be special. We're going to get right into it. I am so excited to have you guys be a part of my trading family. It is always a pleasure to have you guys beside me, and let's make some money together. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is my advice and what I provide towards my students. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.